This is especially important with those of you using our 22s. When I tell you to load and make ready, you're going to insert the magazine, tap it on the bottom, make sure that's in all the way, and then when you make ready, what I want you to do is you pull back on the slide and then just let it go. Let the spring do its job. These are steel. You're not going to hurt it. Do not ride it forward. If you ride it forward, it will pinch you. It will hurt. You may bleed. So just let it go. That's going to do two things from us. First, it's going to keep it from bleeding. Second, it's going to give the full force of the spring pushing that round into the chamber. Okay? For the magazine of 10 rounds, load and make ready. Good job. Switch your thumbs out. Put this underneath that thumb. There you go.
Just open it, that's all it is. Real good. Now you get to the center.
Okay, how'd you do?